it's your favorite Caribbean cutie, and I am back with another vlog today. Thank you for clicking this video. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. We love faith, beauty, business, vlogs, everything fun over here. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, girl, for sticking it out and coming back. I missed you guys. We are getting ready to go to a candlelight concert, girl. I am just going to do a quick, fun date night look, very easy to follow. Don't mind how I apply it because I have a sample of it. I'm using Sephora brand foundation, and we're gonna just see how we like it, because in my previous vlog I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills and I love that foundation. What y'all say? Love it down? Yeah, love it down. So yeah, girl, I actually think it would be remiss of me to not reintroduce myself. I am Zazel. I was born and raised in the Virgin Islands, so you will hear my accent. I speak in my accent every day, but I do speak proper, so my American supporters could definitely understand me. Just to catch y'all up, I was on sabbatical. You probably seen it in the community tab on my channel, and honestly, it's a bit difficult transitioning out of the sabbatical. I haven't picked up my camera since November. My last video, my visual diary, came out in December. I think like the first week in December. I haven't been on camera since, and it is so strange. Like, I miss being on camera. I love vlogging, but it's just a little bit different because I still feel like I'm in vacation mode. You'll be so surprised how shocking entrepreneurship like feels. So similar to like working for people. Like, I get Sunday blues too. But anyway, right now I'm just applying this with a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just patting the foundation in my face. Oh my gosh, I dermaplaned and scraped my face. It looks like scars. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna just stop doing that. I did a easy smoky eye look because I just think it suits the occasion. Nothing too hard because I am trying to get there at a really good time. Like, we really want to be there like an hour early just to feel out the environment. It's taking place at a flight museum, so Unique and I always wanted to go to the flight museum, so I'm gonna actually like look around, take nice pictures. We're just wanting to make sure we get there early, no rushing, put on our clothes, make sure we're comfortable and everything like that. I think this is a pretty decent match. I don't remember what color it is at this moment, but I will link it in my LTK for sure. I'm not sure if this is full coverage, but it's definitely seeming buildable, and I'm a more full coverage type of gal. I'm just packing it in certain areas of my face, and this is just a simple, easy, like, makeup doesn't have to be difficult. I think makeup is very intimidating for some, but it really doesn't have to be. You just find a foundation that is a good match, find you a good brush, because the right brush does the right thing. Always remember that. So find you a good brush set, and a simple, easy glam is not hard to accomplish. Oh yeah, and you probably noticed my hair is shorter from the last video. I cut off a few inches yesterday. A lot is gone. Honestly, I thought I would have had my previous haircut for some time, but the Lord put it in my spirit to just cut off a few more inches, and it's growing on me. But whether I like it or not, obedience is better than sacrifice. So your girl gonna always do what the Lord say to do, whether we understand, whether we like it or not. So right now I'm using the concealer by e.l.f. I think e.l.f. is such a great affordable brand. They've been around for years, and e.l.f. doesn't fail, like never fails. I feel like they're comparable to a lot of the major brands. This is actually a e.l.f. brush, and this is, I think this is the camel concealer. All the shades and everything will be linked below. Even if you're just starting out with makeup, you could always start with e.l.f. because it's on the affordable side, and you don't get to, you know, waste money because it's so affordable. So good brand to start out with. I just blend away, and I actually got a chemical peel, I think, right after my last video, my visual diary. So if you haven't watched that visual diary, please go and watch that visual diary after this video. Chemical peels truly makes a difference in texture, complexion, foundation, everything. Definitely need another session for sure, because we went with a light peel because we wanted to avoid getting burnt, which I appreciate. I don't need nobody putting no chemical on my face that gonna make me look crazy, because initially I was like, I want drastic results now, and she was like, no, that's not the way it works. And I appreciate the honesty, because I would have probably freak out if my skin had looked crazy. I just put highlighter in the T-zone, under the eye, bridge, or head, chin, and just blend. And then I'm just taking a pressed powder by MAC. This is this mineralized skin finish. I am going to use that as my setting powder. Wow. I just have like the vibe going. I usually play like jazz, instrumentals. It's this station on Pandora. I know that sounds like a dinosaur in this day and age. Like, who uses Pandora when you have Apple Music, right? It's this station called the Jazz Sound System or something like that. Puts you in such a great mood. It's so calming, so sensual, so sexy, and so grown. It's way better than listening to rap. So yeah, you should definitely try it. Now I'm using this bronzer by Morphe. I had this for so many years and kind of hit pan. I still have some ways to go. I don't want this to ever finish because I just love the way this color marries my skin tone. I'm kind of flicking it up into the highlight. You just put that on your cheekbones and just flick it upwards. So the key in makeup is just no harsh lines. As long as you blend and there's no harsh lines, you'll be fine. Nobody should know where anything starts or ends. Just work on your blending game. Blend. Your arm might hurt, but it's okay. Now I am going to put the same bronzer and contour my nose. So I like to start like right underneath my brow, fluff it out, bring it down, take it all the way in the brow, instead of just going down like that. Remember what I said about not knowing where anything start or finish. Just keep blending it. Just keep blending. Fluffy brush. This was by Morphe collection. I got this for Christmas years ago, and I'm just gonna take this blush from MAC. You won't see this in stores. I got this when I used to work for MAC. I'm just gonna fluff right above the contour. I don't know if I like this foundation. It's not as full coverage for me. And I'm gonna set under my eye a little bit more. Am I the only person who nose runs while doing makeup? Like, I don't know if it's the amount of powders we're using or what, but my nose be running. And I'm also trying to grow out my brows because I have very fine hair. So I'm just taking a brush where I could get directly under my eye, brushing out those harsh lines. Honestly, I might have to go back to Anastasia. Just my observation. Now I'm gonna just take a fine brush, get one of these gold shimmery colors, go down the bridge of my nose. My skin look like you have a lot of texture right now. I'm gonna take that same brush, I wipe it off, take that bronzer, and I'm gonna go underneath my eye. What are you guys' New Year's resolutions? Do you have any? Are you going with the flow? Are you not putting too much pressure on yourself? Like, talk to me in the comments. I am definitely wanting to get to know you guys because almost 700 of you are here from my visual diary. That's a whole lot of you guys, so I need to get to know you. I have my day ones, and I appreciate you guys, love you guys for even helping me get to this point, and I just want to get to know you, all of you, even the ones who've been here. I know y'all gonna comment. What have y'all been up to? Let me know in the comments, girl, because I'll be responding. Let's go with the lips. This is MAC Chestnut. This is my go-to for everything. Really, these pencils are so creamy, rich in color, and I love them. I'm going for a nude lip. My favorite is Spanish creme de nude. Like, what is that? So I'm gonna try something else. I have some other colors I got from MAC when I was an employee there that I never used, so I might try them tonight. Let me see what this one look like. No, I think I'm gonna stick with creme de nude. I'm gonna get this how I can. A mirror was in y'all face this whole time. I'm sorry, that's pretty. So this is my all-time favorite, creme de nude. Now I'm gonna smudge it together. Very peachy, but I like that. I can add maybe a little bit of this MAC lip gloss. It has shimmer in it. This is called Very Go Lightly. Okay, I think I'm done, girl. Okay.
Elegant.
I am going to go and put on my clothes, and then you guys will see that when I'm done. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. All black, cargo pants, silver boots. This leather jacket from Fashion Nova is stunning. Okay, so everything from head to toe is basically Fashion Nova, except for the boots is Amazon, and that is linked in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, this, and then Unique. Brushing, girl. And then this is Unique's look. Where's the gloves? She's putting on gloves. Cute sexy lace going on, and then a wool jacket, cute haircut. She gotta relax, a girl. Yeah, so okay guys, so we are headed out, and this is the final look. See you guys when we get there.